Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper frame trim in a Whirlpool refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a putty knife. When you open out the package, you're going to get a new crisper frame trim. This crisper frame trim is snapped onto the front of the crisper support frame. It serves a decorative purpose. The main reason to replace the trim is if it's broken or is missing. To get to the part, we need to open both French doors. Alright, so you're going to pull out the crispers. Not all the way, just that much would be good. Next, I'm going to use the putty knife and I'm going to insert it here and pry out this sand. We've got a number of clips here. I'm going to follow them from inside. Alright, now we're going to remove it. Turn it over and it comes off. This is the old crisper frame trim next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so this is our new trim and we're going to install it. So we got here like a big lip here and it's going over this edge. So I'm going to slide it over. And I'm going to push it in and press it down. Next, I'm going to push in the crispers. And now we can close the doors. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.